Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your BASEUS Eli Sport 1. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and now close the case. These earbuds are disconnected from your phone and we can see it at the device list right here. So after that, just open the charging case and it will reconnect to your phone. Then check it, maybe it fixed your problem. If it doesn't, we should perform a hard reset. So put it to the charging case and after that, right here at the back side, we have this button. So press and hold it until this LED light starts flashing red 3 times. Here we go. Now we should remove it from the phone. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and now this earbuds enter to pairing mode, so just click on it at the device list, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!